This might look a little bit different than your regular WS6 because it is. It's a 2000 Formula WS6 with 13,000 miles. Let's take it for a test drive. Friday evening, rolling into the sunset in a 2000 Pontiac Formula WS6. So don't get this confused with your standard Trans Am WS6. This is the Formula WS6 and it is super rare. In 2000, they made just under 250 of these. Obviously the Formula body style is just a little bit different. It's a little bit more understated than the regular Trans Ams. The hood's a little different, the front end's a little different, doesn't have your side skirts, and then the rear spoiler's a whole lot smaller. So if you like the performance of the WS6, but want a little bit more understated appearance-wise, the Formula is a fantastic option. And again, very rare setup, and this is actually a car that I've owned a couple of times. I originally bought it actually not that long ago from the original owner, sold it to one of my great customers. He plays with cars for a while. He bought this car, it had like 12,700 miles on it, and I just got it back and it has 13,639 miles now. He plays with them for a while, trades them back in on other vehicles, and when he called me and said, Mike, I want to trade back in the Formula, I said, send it to me. Absolutely love this car. It is super clean front to back, inside and out. It is a clean Carfax, no accidents or damage ever reported. It's a documented 13,640 miles as of this test drive video. It has your standard LS1 for the Formula. They're rated at 320 horse and 345 foot-pounds of torque, so it runs extremely well. Obviously your disc brakes, power steering with rack and pinion, full factory exhaust, which looks and sounds great. Downshifts like it should, pulls really well. AC is nice and cold. This is a car you could hop in and drive across the country if you wanted to. On the interior, it's code 19L, which is your black or charcoal interior. The only things I'm going to note is a little bit of play from the visor material that all these get, and there's like a little half moon circle, on the dash here. Again, it's not cracked. It had like a little suction cup thing for a like a phone mount, but if you put a little sun on it, it'll 100% go back, or at least I think it'll go back where you won't ever notice it because it's really fresh. It had a little suction cup thing right there. Again, no real issues on the interior other than just this little circle right here, which again is very minuscule. And then on the seat bottom, there's like a little horizontal little like crease in the seat. It's not really a crack and it's not a tear, just a little bit of wear on the seat bottom from sitting here. Console's in excellent condition. All of your plastics are great. And again, I want to reiterate that this spot on the dash here is very minuscule. You probably can't even see it in the video. It's just like a little half circle where again something was mounted there, but nothing's been drilled, nothing's been glued, but probably a little suction cup was there at some point. All your factory gauges, all your factory options in here work like they should. Factory Pontiac Monsoon stereo, which is great. Headliner, inserts on the T-tops, all that checks out awesome. Floor mats, carpet, door panels are great. You do have one very minuscule hairline crack over here on the passenger side door panel. Imagine like the quarter size of the tip of your pinky fingernail. It's a tiny, tiny little hairline crack there, but it's really minimal. This car is super nice. We're warmed up good, so we'll get in the throttle here some. Got a couple cars in front of us, so we can't get crazy into it, but we'll have an opportunity a little bit further in the test drive video. On the Does It Work section for this Formula, everything works. Gauges, lights, horn, wipers, radio, heat, AC, parking brake, stereo, traction control light, defrost, everything is ready to go. We got our headlights up. We'll click to the outside camera here so y'all can see it. Headlights go down, headlights go back up. One of the things on these cars, if you're not familiar with it, to turn your fog lights on, you do have to have your headlights engaged, so the fog lights work as well. Underneath, fantastic. Zero issues of any kind. It really represents like a like new car on the bottom. Floors are in excellent condition. All your suspension, all of that cosmetically shows great. Your exhaust shows great. And again, it sounds awesome going down the road. Exterior, it is code WA9966, which is your silver metallic paint. From everything that I can see, it is original paint. Very minor little touch-ups kind of walking around the car. In the additional information section of the website, pcclassiccars.com, when you click on this vehicle, scroll to the bottom of the page, you'll see the additional information section, which you'll see the clean Carfax, as well as the window sticker. The other miscellaneous original paperwork that we have for this Formula WS6 will be in there, along with the very minor little cosmetic flaws around the car. But for being a car that's 25 years old, it shows fantastic. WS6 wheels are in great condition. Tires are a 2025 date code, so no issues with any of that. And like I mentioned earlier in this video, I like how understated the Formula body style is. The front bumper, the hood, the lack of the side skirts and the smaller rear spoiler, it just kind of flies under the radar a little bit. They're great looking cars. I still think they have a great cosmetic look to them. They're just not as in your face as the Trans Am WS6 is. Suspension is going to be all factory equipment. You do obviously have the WS6 package, so you do have the better suspension. Performs fantastic. It's super tight out on the open road. Goes exactly where you want it to go. Going left here, going right here, having some fun with it. Really a fun car to drive. Driving position is super comfortable. You do have your tilt. And again, you have your creature comforts, cruise, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. All the glass is in fantastic condition. Windows all roll up and down like they should. The power mirrors are functioning, except for the power mirrors are kind of hit and miss on if they want to go up and down and in and out. It's the most common thing on these cars. Sometimes they'll work and sometimes they won't. Again, if you're familiar with the Trans Ams or the WS6s or even the Firebirds, with the power mirrors, the in and out function and the up and down function are usually kind of hit and miss on these. That one over there is working. The driver's side one, I believe, is having a little bit of up and down issue. But it's clear and easy to see out of right now. Windshield doesn't have any issues. Again, you have your rear window defrost. It kicks on, it kicks off. You got your automatic transmission. Again, it's a 4L60E. I didn't say that earlier, but it's the factory automatic transmission that these came with. Wind it up here a little bit. Great performance from that LS1. Has plenty of power to do whatever you want to do. The automatics in these cars, they just haul ass. They shift great. There's nothing wrong with the 6-speeds, and I love a 6-speed in these, but the automatics are set up great in these cars. Inside the rear compartment in the back, you pop the T-tops off, slide them down into the hole, cruise around with the T-tops down, turn some tunes on. Engine bay's great, all OE and very factory when you pop the hood. It is the original LS motor for the Formula. Check all that stuff here at my dealership. Make sure that they are what they're supposed to be, and this is a no-nonsense 13,000-mile car with great paperwork, a clean Carfax, very understated, a very low production, just under 250 Formula WS6s for the 2000 model. This is a awesome car. If it was black, I might keep it for myself. I have a rule, I don't keep anything that's not factory black. I've made a couple exceptions over the years, but this is a hard car to sell again. Usually you don't get great cars back like this, and the gentleman that I bought it from, he likes to swap them out, so when I got the opportunity to buy this car back, it was definitely a no-brainer for me to bring it back into the dealership. We'll get aggressive with the throttle one more time here. We'll try to keep the tires on it. We do have a little bit of gravel here, so we'll pull out slowly. If you do want to, you can shift it down into 1, 2, 3 and drive. You can manually shift it if you want to, but these, again, 4L60Es, they really do their job well. And there you guys have it. This is an absolutely awesome early 2000s Pontiac. As always, I'm Michael. This is a 2000 Pontiac Formula WS6 with a documented 13,646 miles, cold factory AC, 4L60E automatic overdrive transmission from myself and everybody else here at PC Classic Cars. We appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drive videos. Make sure you check out that additional information tab on the website, pcclassiccars.com. Check out the content we're posting across our social platforms every single day, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again for watching.